I just made $256.14 from my Disney stock. What's up, guys? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about one of my stocks, Disney, how much money I made, and a little bit more about Motley Fool, which is a stock investment advisor. Because I still get a lot of questions about Motley Fool. But before I get into that, if you want to know how you can turn any money-making opportunity or your hobby into a profitable home business, click the link below and check out the free webinar. And that's the real free webinar, not like the kind you see where you got to like do all this stuff. You can put your email in, name, and watch the webinar right then and there. And the cool thing is you will also see how you can get money back on your taxes from your home business. So definitely check that out. Like I said, if you're looking for a home business. All right, so I did a video, I don't know, a couple months ago, and I did a review on Motley Fool, which is a pretty popular stock investment advisor. And basically what it is you pay a membership fee, right? And then you can log in every day, every week, whatever. You can see their picks, right? And they have all these different guys involved with the site, like their top, guru stock people, right? And I did a review video on it, and I get a lot of questions about it. And one of the biggest questions is how much do you get with the membership, right? So let me just be perfectly clear. With the Motley Fool basic membership, which I think I got it for like $99 for the year, which is not bad if you think about it. I think it was a special, I think, at the time, but I think it's not that much, right? So for $99 a year, basically you get like their top like 10 picks or whatever, and you get articles and videos maybe once or twice a week, and they come from their guru people, and they tell you why they are choosing the stocks that they're choosing. Not only that, they do give you other resources that will actually help you learn the stock market and what you should be looking for when you're getting into investing in stocks, right? So people ask, like, is it worth it? Do I think it's worth it? Yeah, I think it's worth it. Do you absolutely need it? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say no. Is it helpful so far? I would say yes. All right. I've only been, I think I've been a member maybe 3-4 months at this point. So, we'll see. Will I renew in a year? I don't know. It depends, right? But with that being said, you see in this video, it says I made $256.14 from my Disney stock. Now, how that ties in with Motley Fool is, I've actually, before I even joined Motley Fool, I did see different places, a couple other, people on YouTube and doing some basic research. I seen where, people were talking about Disney. Disney be a smart investment, especially everything going on with the pandemic, right? So I saw all that stuff, but then when I joined Motley Fool, guess what? One of their top advisor picks is Disney, and it has been Disney since I've been a member. So by it being one of their top picks, for the last few months, since I've been a member at least, I saw that, and I'm like, okay, with all of the research and data I'm seeing, plus I joined Motley Fool and I see Disney is one of their top picks. I'm like, you know what? I got to jump on this. Right? So I think I'm at like 5 or 6 stocks right now with Disney. And check this out. Right now, I've actually got a return of $256.14. You see it right there. That's from my Robinhood account. You can see that. And so right there, guys, like if I was to sell my stocks, I would have made $256 from the Disney stock. Now, Disney right now, as I'm shooting this video, it's around $181 a share. When I bought these, I bought a couple shares at $123 and like $131 or $32 when I bought these shares. So you can just do the basic math and see, I mean, that's profit right there. So very, very exciting for me, especially being new, getting into the stock market game. Very, very cool to see that, guys. So going back to what I said, yes, Disney is one of Motley Fool's picks. So that kind of shows you that, in my opinion, they know what they're talking about when it comes to stocks to look at, and maybe potentially invest in. Now, like I said, Motley Fool ain't the only place that recommended it, but I felt like once I saw that, I'm like, okay, yeah, okay. And then once I seen this return, actually it's a profit, I definitely can be like, okay. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited about that. But here's the thing with the Disney stock. Yes, I could, sell my stocks and take that little $200 something profit, but I'm not gonna do that. I ain't gonna lie. I'll probably be holding on to this Disney stock for a long time because once again, that's what Motley Fool recommends, and a lot of other investors recommend, holding on to stocks that really has a chance to grow and give you some long-term profit, right? So that's what I'm probably gonna do with the Disney stock, guys. But so that's it. That's what's going on in my little world. Like I said, if you want to start investing, there's so many different ways that you can go about doing it, guys. But if you really want to get involved, just do it. You could get you an account at Robinhood, Ameritrade, and just buy your first stock. Just get involved. You know what I'm saying? You'll feel good. Just get involved, and you can start small. People are doing it. You can too. All right. And one more thing. The crazy thing, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you want to learn how to, start a home business, a profitable home business, right? From your hobby, guess what? Being a stock market investor can actually be a home business that you can profit from. And you will learn all of that once you check out that webinar, guys. Super, super cool stuff. All right. So anyway, hopefully this video helped you out. If you got any questions, shoot them below and I'll try to help out when I can. And subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.